What a great day! The sun is shining, and I have no homework. Why are you walking so slowly, Lina?
My bag feels like it is full of stones, Leo.
It's just books. Hey, did you see my science mark? I got an A! I'm so happy.
I saw. Congratulations, Leo.
What about you? You studied so hard.
I got a B.
B? That's great. Why are you sad? B is a good grade.
You don't understand. My dad is a scientist. To him, science is everything. If I bring home a B, he will be so disappointed. He will think I am lazy.
No way. Your dad is nice. Just tell him the truth.
Not today. I'm going to hide it. I'll tell him tomorrow, or maybe next week.
Hiding is not good, Lina. Secrets make you feel worried.
Just for one day, Leo. I need to find the right time.
See you later.
Welcome home, my princess. How was school?
Hi, Dad. It was okay.
Just okay? Did something happen? You are looking at your shoes. Are they new?
No, Dad. I'm just a little tired.
Well, go change your clothes. Mom is making your favorite pasta for a snack, and I have your tea ready.
I'm not very hungry, Dad. I think I'll just go to my room and do my homework.
No pasta? But you love it. Are you feeling sick?
No, I'm fine. I have a lot of work. Bye!
That's strange. She usually tells me everything.
Oh, Lina, why did you get a B? Why is science so hard? If Dad sees this, he will think I'm not smart like him. Stay there. Don't come out. I'll tell him when I am brave.
Lina, dinner is on the table. Come on, dear.
Coming, Mom!
Lina, you haven't said a word. You are just staring at your pasta.
I'm just thinking about history class.
History? I thought you had a science test yesterday. Did the teacher give the results?
The teacher, she was absent. Yes, she didn't come today.
Oh, I see. Lina's ears are turning red. She only does that when she is hiding something. Okay, princess. Drink your tea. I am going to my study room to finish some work.
Okay, Dad.
Can I come in, Lina?
Dad, yes.
You look sad. Do you want to talk about it? Princess, why are you sitting in the dark? Why are you different today?
I'm just tired.
You know, Lina, you are my everything. I know you better than anyone. My daughter is honest. My daughter never tells lies. So, tell me what is heavy in your heart.
Oh, Dad, I'm so sorry.
I made a mistake. I hid this from you. I'm a bad daughter.
Shh, it's okay. You're not a bad daughter. I love you. It's okay, Lina. Let me see. A B in science?
I know it's bad. You are a scientist, and I only got a B. You must be so disappointed in me.
Disappointed? Because of a B? Lina, look at me. I am not a scientist because I got A's every day. I am a scientist because I never gave up when things were difficult.
But I wanted to be perfect for you.
You are perfect to me. A grade is just a letter, but your honesty is your real treasure. I am happy you told me.
Really? You aren't angry?
Of course not, sweetheart. But next time, tell me if a subject is difficult. We are a team.
Really?
Yes! Starting tomorrow, every evening for 30 minutes, we will practice science together. Just you and me.
Thank you, Papa. I will work so hard. I promise.
I know you will, sweetheart.
Today was a long day. I was so scared in the morning. Why am I so afraid of disappointing you, Dad? You never shouted at me. You never called me lazy. I was so scared in the morning. You never compared me with anyone. You always say, do your best. But I thought your best meant perfect. Dad is a scientist. He is smart. He is calm. He is strong. He is my hero. But today I learned something. Dad does not want a perfect daughter. He wants an honest daughter.
I want to be brave. I want to raise my hand in class. I want to say, I don't understand. And I want to try again.
She thinks I am her hero, but she is my strength. She is braver than she knows. She was scared of disappointing me, but today she made me proud.
Dad, you're awake?
I couldn't sleep. The moon is beautiful tonight. You know something?
What?
You don't have to be perfect to be my hero. You just have to be you.
Did you hear me talking?
Every word.
I was just thinking loudly.
Those were brave thoughts.
I was scared of losing your respect.
You gain my respect every time you tell the truth,
Even when I fail?
especially when you fail and try again.
I feel lighter tonight.
Because your heart is honest.
Thank you for being my safe place.
Thank you for trusting me.